Hello folks, this is Fred Livai, your instructor for the course, and in this video we're going to talk about CROA, or Credit Repair Organizations Act, and more specifically we're going to talk about the findings and purposes of the Act. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go over the information. We're going to talk about what each section stands for and what it means to you as a company doing credit repair for your clients. So in section A, which is the findings, uh, what it is Congress makes the following findings. One, consumers have a vital interest in establishing and maintaining their credit worthiness and credit standing in order to obtain and use credit. As a result, consumers who have experienced credit problems may seek assistance from credit repair organizations which offer to improve the credit standing of such consumers. So this is what you guys are going to be doing as a credit repair company. Is you're going to be helping your clients obtain a better credit rating based on the different laws afforded to us. And two, certain advertising and business practices of some companies engaged in the business of credit repair services have worked a financial hardship upon consumers, particularly those of limited economic means and who are inexperienced in credit matters. Now, what they're saying here is there's a lot of companies out there that are making false promises to their clients. They're going ahead and they're manipulating them, letting them know that they can do these things which they may or may not be able to do, but they're providing providing the information, knowing that these types of some of these people aren't able to actually pay just because of the hardship that they're in at the particular moment. So it's something that you guys want to pay close attention to. And B, which is purposes. And the purpose of the subchapter are: one, is to ensure that prospective buyers of the services of a credit repair organization is provided with the information necessary to make an informed decision regarding the purchase of such services. Now, what we're saying here is that you want to make sure that anything that you tell your client, you're not telling them lies, you're not telling them anything that isn't true. You want to go ahead and um, give them as much education about your services that you can. So that way that they know that by going with you, they're going to be able to know that they're going with the best person out there, the best company. So just don't make any false promises to your clients, and you should be okay here. And two, is to protect the public from unfair or deceptive advertising and business practices by a credit repair organization. So what they're saying here is if you're out there advertising perfect credit in 30 days, we guarantee to get all results within 45 days. You can't make any type of guarantees, and just anything that you advertise, just make sure that you're being very truthful about it. Don't tell them that you can do all these miraculous things. Even if you can, you never want to tell people that you can do that. You don't want to make any type of guarantee. You want to strictly stay away from that because you never know who could be watching. So just make sure that you don't deceptively advertise your business services to your clients. And finally, the short title. This subchapter is known as the Credit Repair Organizations Act. To find out more, please Google short title note set out under section 1601 of the title. You can go ahead and get all that information. So with that being said, this is one of our courses here in regards to findings and purposes of the Credit Repair Organizations Act.